Hey, finance! Can you consolidate financials with a new layout, update our quarterly forecast numbers, generate a sales performance analysis by product category, payroll cost breakdown by location and employee, and forecast revenue projections for the next fiscal year? Oh, yeah, and hoping to get that before the end of the day. All right, thanks.
Didn't you wish you could, not spend the weekend generating reports? Didn't you wish you could remove the barrier to access information when your teams need it most? With Solver, you can enable your team to make data-driven decisions without interrupting your finance department. Your team can integrate and aggregate all your data, report and analyze, budget and forecast, create custom dashboards, and share with decision makers. But traditional corporate performance management systems take 5 weeks or more to deploy. Until now. Introducing the finance department's new best friend, Solver. Now available in an all-in-one subscription that you can easily deploy today. Hundreds of templates, dozens of integrations, pure speed to value with Solver. Try Solver today at solverglobal.com.